What's up? What's up? Sorry, I got stuck. We're back again, and we're doing an opening right here. Not mail call. Box call? Open
No,
box?
it's a mail call.
Is it a mail call? Open
Mail
box? Open box? Why do I keep saying box? Because it sounds like, and we are.
Hot Wheels Collectors, Hawaii.com.
Oh, cut everybody's line. What are they talking about? Sound on. I'm just kidding. It's nothing wrong with your computer. I'm just being a. All right, so here we are. We're going to open up this thing right here. And we're going to find out what it is. I'm going to be surprised myself. Go ahead, do the honors.
So I believe that this one is an opened, uncarded set. I believe it's Forza.
If it sounds like he's reading off something off his phone or something like that, because that is exactly what he's doing.
What I'm doing. It's a Forza Motorsport Retro Entertainment Set.
See?
Right.
See? We don't do 26 takes over here, folks. We do one. We don't have time for do that
one.
many.
However, if they stay for the outtakes at the end.
Oh, that's the funnest part.
Yeah, that is. But those are not takes during our filming. They're prior to.
Yes.
Or post.
Oh, I gotta use some special effects over here. Hold on.
When somebody has a
Okay,
hot mic that he doesn't know is still hot.
Oh, so these are open cars.
Yes, these are opened ones, but
Hope you got them cheap, man.
oh yeah, they definitely were. And because I'm opening them, I didn't see the need to get a carded set at full price. So
Yeah, I hope not, because it's got other people's juices on them. You know what I mean? Their slobber, their oil, feces and spit and sweat and whatever else people just ooze out of their nasty. Oh, I'm sorry, I just got done watching a series of iZombie, so
it definitely is not going to have feces because it's not from that MTV show we're not going to mention here. But
ooh,
that is the one I was looking to get. This Alpha Romeo.
The Alfa Romeo, the BMW, and the Datsun 510 all look the same. I wonder who copied who.
Well, they probably copied Alfa Romeo because
You think so?
Alfa Romeo was out first. Oh, I just bumped the camera.
No, I think that was a Tremor, like the movies.
Yeah, look at that. That is nice. Yeah, I didn't want to buy another $30-$40 set, so I got this one way cheaper.
$29.95.
Let's just say I probably could have bought a lot more. Here, let me take a look at that one.
Is that the Lamborghini?
Yes, it is. Oh, you know what? I just noticed.
No more light.
No wonder it's so dark on this side.
It must be from the DC universe. Because you're so dark.
Yeah. Well, that movie was good. That movie was good.
Sorry for the spoilers, folks, if you haven't seen Deadpool 2. My bad.
I wonder if we can even mention that.
Oh, shit. Will you get in trouble for that?
I hope not.
That would suck if they... Really? It's like we're giving them props, man.
I think I found this one in the Savers. In the thrift store.
No, just go give me that one then. I just think...
Yeah, he can look at that one. And my favorite.
Ooh, that's a nice color, bro.
That is a nice.
Look at how deep the rims is on that one.
And
on the top, look at an Autobot face, bro.
Yeah, that's what you said about the last one too.
Yeah. That's a nice blue, bro. That's a nice... That right there is candy cobalt or candy cobalt on maybe white or silver base, or just regular candy blue over silver. That's freaking nice, bro.
So you know how you like all headlights, taillights done?
Yeah.
They do that on the retro entertainment ones. Everything is done. Headlights, top, sides, they do all. That's why these are in the $6 range.
Well, that's nice.
Even the car culture ones are not in that $6 range. Oh. I'm getting direction to get in front of the camera.
Yeah. I get scolded. I gotta scold you too. You know, just get blank air over there. Everyone's like, what's going on? Nobody talking. What's going on? Are they dead? Did they die? Did they leave? Did somebody go and use the bathroom?
There you go.
Okay, see? You gotta do them in front of the camera.
These tapes are hard to get out. I don't want to cut them. I think
People need to see your technique for opening, you know, used cars.
You mean dropping them?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say the word used. Previously played with.
Pre-owned.
Yeah, pre-owned.
I like this one. This kind of black and yellow.
What is that? A Torino?
This is. Let's take a look.
Oldsmobile or Jabel? Oh, I scratched the side of the paint on the damn road.
It is a Ford Falcon.
Oh, Falcon.
Yeah, Ford Falcon. That is nice.
I guess we was off on all counts then, huh?
Well, I think, didn't they use this one in Mad Max? I think it was the Falcon.
No, yeah, it was the AMC.
Don't tell me Javelin.
I think it was the Javelin.
And this Camaro. I saw somebody point out this in another video. It is half Zamek. See it? They use temples to paint over the Zamek. Nice.
Yeah.
And the grill is...
Or maybe the designers just was tired and they said, you know, frick them, just make them two-tone, we go already. Gotta buy beer, gotta buy infamy for the baby. You know, they gotta go, you know what I mean? Oh, you know what? We gotta send a shout out to one of my friends. She watched our video and she liked them. She said she was entertained. So Char girl, what's up, girl? Thanks for watching, man. Oh wait, Charlemagne watches us, so mucho mahalos for that. I thought we'd give her a shout out there. We don't have money for giveaway, so we can give away props.
Well, that is the Forza set.
All right. You know, I'm seeing something over there way off in the corner that I really want to see. That right there, bro.
Oh, this one.
Yes, frick yeah, bro. Yeah. Holy crap, that is freaking nice, bro.
And why is it you want to see that one?
Because I don't have it and I want one. And look at that paint job. I mean, anything that is sprayed over chrome is the best freaking paint job on the planet.
Get a close up on that. Let's turn the camera.
That is really nice. Like normally the other Christine is just a regular red paint. I wouldn't have bought, but that, the one you have there, plus it's in a case, so you know you should open it.
I think we should.
Yeah.
Let's do that in another video.
Okay.
Because this is not the only Christine I have.
You have another one?
I do.
Like that?
I do.
You dick, you told me you only had one.
Not Auto World.
Chrome paint like that?
It is the Boulevard series.
Oh, the Boulevard. Okay, well, since I'm gonna... I have to make, hand gestures so people think that, we still here and,
Well, I don't know where it is.
we never...
It's somewhere. We will pull that out. Yeah,
okay.
Oh, this is 9 minutes. Let's cut this one.
So we are done now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for, sticking by and tolerating us. We really do appreciate you guys. Sending all the love back to everybody out there watching us. Mucho mahalos. Like and subscribe. Any comments? Hit us up. If you want us to check out something else that we can afford, okay. Not the kind of like hardcore stuff that we cannot afford. Like, hey guys, doing a commercial with commercial. Did I just say commercial?
Commercial.
Guys can do a video with 1996 Camaro. Yeah, we're not busting open one $1,700 Camaro.
Oh yeah, that is
what?
The Super Treasure Hunt, right? The white one.
Yeah, the white one. Well, it was basically a regular treasure hunt.
Right. I saw a picture somebody posted today on a sale page with that upside down opened, and
Really?
Just totally trashed.
Wow.
Yeah.
Because I never seen that. I never see that Camaro drop less than $500-$600. Wow.
Yeah. So they had it. They had it open.
Wow. Okay, so we're done. We're rambling on because that's how we do. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back next time. Same fat channel, same fat time.
PHAT.
Yeah, PHAT, Bubba.